This is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. Let's look at 5 spices you can actually use as medicine. Years ago, I thought of spices as flavorings and frankly, rarely used them. But today, I see them as food we can use as medicine. I now use them every chance I get. But there are 5 that rank above the rest with their benefits as food as medicine. So let's look at these that you have in your kitchen pretty much every day. The 5 spices with the most medicinal benefits are, number 1, turmeric. This well-known spice is widely used in India. Just Google turmeric and you'll find thousands of research articles about its ability to lower inflammation, fight pain, and reduce your risk for cancer. Even the Cleveland Clinic boasts about the health benefits of turmeric. One of my doctors years ago recommended turmeric to help me control pain when my back went out instead of depending on aspirin for weeks after weeks after weeks. This one is one I take in supplement form because personally I don't like the taste, but some people do. Number 2, garlic. This strong smelling bulb has an aroma that my taste buds just love. If a recipe says to add 2 cloves of garlic, this gal adds 4. And why not? This tasty spice boosts your immune system, helps lower cholesterol, has antibiotic properties, helps prevent cancer, and may even lower your blood pressure. Just watch your breath. You don't want to lose any friends. Number 3, cinnamon. I love the taste of this spice, and I tend to also double whatever the recipe says. It's great for lowering blood sugar and reducing triglycerides, also reducing blood cholesterol. I use it in an essential oil form in my daily tonic, but it could be used in the dry form as well. Number 4, ginger. This plant has been used for thousands of years to treat upset stomach, diarrhea, nausea, and motion sickness. It may also slow down the growth of some cancers, lower blood sugar, and lower cholesterol. I also use this in essential oil form in my tonic each morning to lower my LDL cholesterol. And last but not least, number 5, cayenne pepper. This spice comes from the red pepper plant. It's known to reduce pain, increase blood flow, relieve congestion, prevent ulcers, improve digestion, and lower inflammation, all while keeping blood vessels healthy. The Cleveland Clinic also boasts about the benefits of cayenne pepper. This spice is also in my morning tonic. You can use a dash, or you could use it as an oil as well. All spices are gifts from God to use not just for flavoring, but also for enhancing our health. I now have a spice and herb pantry with organic ingredients. These 5 spices you'll always want to have in your kitchen. You can use them for flavoring and for medicine. What spices do you like to use for flavoring and for your health? Post in the comments below so we can learn from each other. I hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it, and click the notification bell so you will know when I post new information. Until then, believe it or not, here's to your good health. And God bless.